Hello there! Today I will demonstrate how to host a live game in a web browser. To begin, log into your account and find a Kahoot you wish to host either in your library or on the Discover page. After locating your desired Kahoot, select Host Live. You will then be presented with all available game modes. The availability of certain game modes depends on your account and subscription type. By clicking on each game mode, you will see a brief description and the maximum player limit. Please keep in mind that the player limit is dependent on both your subscription type and the game mode itself. The game modes like Robot Run, The Lost Pyramid, Submarine Squad, etc. have their own player limits, regardless of the limit provided by your subscription. Before starting the game, in the lobby, while waiting for the players, and in between questions, you can access game settings. To do this, click on the gear wheel icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Any changes you make to the settings will be saved for the next game. For this demonstration, I will be using the Classic mode. Choose your game mode and click Start. A pin and a QR code will then be displayed on your screen. Players will use these to join the game. Click on the QR code to enlarge it, making it easier for players to scan. The pin will be displayed at the bottom of the screen throughout the game, allowing players to join later if they wish. If you want to prevent additional players from joining, click on the padlock. You can unlock it at any time. In Classic mode, the Start button will become available once at least one player has joined. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!